cover this new Conan Gray song. It's pretty straightforward, I think. First thing you got to do is put your, at the 3rd fret, place your pinky on the high E string, and then place your ring finger on the B string at the 3rd fret. And you're going to just leave those there. And we're going to, with these 2 fingers, we're going to play a G shape. So, index is on the A string at the 2nd fret, and G is on the 3rd, or your ring finger's on the 3rd fret on the low E. Then we take these 2 fingers off, place your index finger on the 2nd fret on the E. That's a F sharp. And then we're just basically putting the F sharp over the G. So G, F sharp. Now we are going to play an E minor shape. Now what I'm doing though, when I'm playing with 1 finger, I'm muting the string below. So when I play the F sharp, I'm muting the A string. And when I'm playing the A string at the 2nd fret, I'm muting the D string. Okay, and I'm playing the E though, and that's because we're playing an E. It's like an E minor chord over G. But I'm muting the D string in this case. So you get 3 movements on the low E string. G, F sharp, E minor. Then we go to a D chord. Okay, we play just like this D chord, except we're playing with our pinky on the high E at the 3rd fret. Okay, so and we play a C shape with our index and middle finger, and that's where it ends. Then it begins again. Drive through the woods in the rich neighborhoods. Towards the end, there is a bridge. Okay, but the bridge is not that difficult. It's a A minor. I don't know what he's saying. Goes to E minor. To D. I think the bridge repeats twice. A minor. Back to the G walk down, F sharp, E minor, D, C. All right, have fun learning the lyrics to that and playing that song on your guitar. Thanks for watching. Bye.